Hey everyone, so after about 2 days of unpacking and laundry and just getting my life kind of resituated again and putting everything away and finally mixing up all the new paints that I got, so all my LUKAS CRYL are mixed up, my CRAFTSMART, the Deco Art, the BLICKRYLIC, that's an interesting word to say. It's all mixed up. I had to go out and get some Floetrol and still mixing up all the color shift. But everything's in order. Wanted to do a quick video for you guys on one of the hexagons stretch canvas. And I already prepped it. Oh, I also, so those of you who don't know, I finally got myself a banding wheel. And I got myself an air gun. Some little things I ordered off of Christina's Amazon, which I will link below. But so I prepped this canvas already with the BLICKRYLIC, because every time I've used these Master Touch canvases in the past, I always get the little white dots, or it doesn't fully adhere to the canvas. So one of the paintings I did when I did the all black and the tape, I realized it didn't give me all those little dots. So I just, every time I use these Master Touch canvases anymore, I will be priming them first with a basic paint, no Floetrol, nothing added. Then for this one, I'm going to be laying down, it's a mixture of, there's some Liquitex left, gloss varnish, Floetrol, and a little bit of that same brass color mixed in here. This is going to be the base color for this painting. It's so gray, look at that. It looks so gray. Okay, but this is going to be the base color, and then I'm going to come in, I just want to add dots all over, kind of like scales maybe, and just work, I'm thinking out in, with just the different colors. So, quick cap on all the colors. You have the LUKAS CRYL, these 6 are LUKAS CRYL. It's silver, silver bronze, gold, copper, gold bronze, and titanium white. Then I have the Deco Art Rose Gold, BLICKRYLIC Metallic Brass, which is this color, the CRAFTSMART Gold, which is such a pretty gold when it dries. It's so metallic. I don't know how else to explain it. And then the CRAFTSMART Premium Metallic Bright Gold, which I haven't used yet. So it's going to be a very metallic painting for you guys. Save on time, I'm just going to throw this into a time-lapse, put the base coat on, put some colors down, and we're just going to airbrush it out. I'm excited. This is going to be fun. Alright. See you guys in a second. Okay everyone, so decided to go in a different direction. I still have to figure out the consistency of this LUKAS CRYL. I really don't want to go out and buy all-purpose glue to get that really great consistency, but I refuse to use water, so it's not as fluid as I want it to be, so I might have to. I used quite a bit of Floetrol to get the consistency where it is, but it's still not as fluid as the Sherwin-Williams has been with my mixing, so gotta play with them a little bit more. So I decided to just do some flowers. I'm gonna come back once this is dry and define them a little bit more, you know as I do. It was a last-ditch attempt to fix this. It's very fall. It's like little fall leaves and flowers on here. I kind of like it. Like, I'm not upset at where it's at, and I can't wait to see all of the metallics on here completely dry, because it's going to be so shiny. Very, very shiny. But I'll bring this back in another video once this is fully dry. Then we can come in and I'll show you how I do my flowers. Let me hit this with a torch real quick, because I'm seeing some bubbles and I'm hoping I might get some more cells, but probably not. I don't have the consistency where I need it to be, so but yeah, the flowers are kind of like a tribute to this past trip that I took. Got to play around with the airbrush a lot when I was with Christina, and I miss being out there already. It was so much fun. I learned so much. Hopefully Christina learned so much from me. I mean, we both have our very different take on all of this, so it was really fun to see what we came up with and how we bounced ideas off of each other in person. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hit the like, share, comment. Oh, quick little thing. So before this is all said and done, I just came in with one of these little needle bottles. It has the black, so I decided to come in and just outline using the black paint. It has this very rustic, urban feel to it, and I'm kind of digging it. All right, there we go. There we have it. Let's see. Can I bring it in for a close-up for you guys? Is that possible? Can't wait to see this one dry. It's gonna be fun. I have no idea how it's gonna move tonight. And it's new paint, so I don't know how long this is gonna take to dry. I know the Sherwin-Williams you guys are used to seeing dries overnight, so then tomorrow I could always come back and embellish it. So this is experiment time, and I will be back with another video when this is dry for you guys. Alright, bye.